In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages in Pande Pandadoc. When you are building a document, the placement of your content matters. Sometimes you need a clean separation, so the next section starts on a new page. In Pande Pandadoc, the way you do this is by inserting a page break between content blocks. This creates a new page at that point, which effectively shifts everything below the break onto the next page. Start by looking at your document in the editor and finding the exact spot where you want the new page to begin. You will be working between two content blocks. A content block can be a paragraph, an image, a table, a heading, or any other section of content that sits in its own block. Now move your cursor slowly into the space between those two content blocks. As you hover in the right position, you will see a small plus sign appear. This plus sign is the insert control. It tells you that you can add something new at that location. Once the plus sign is visible, click it. This opens a menu of items you can insert into the document at that exact point. Take a moment to make sure you are inserting in the correct place. If you click the plus sign too high or too low, the page break will be added in the wrong spot, and your content will shift in a way you did not intend. From the menu that appears, select Page Break. As soon as you choose it, Pande Pandadoc will insert a page break right where your cursor was positioned. Everything that was below that location will move to the next page, giving you a clear separation between sections. If the result is not quite right, repeat the same process at a slightly different position between blocks until the page break lands exactly where you want it. Small adjustments in placement can make a big difference in how your pages flow, especially when you are formatting proposals, reports, or any document that needs a polished layout. And that is all there is to it.